Gen motion, Miller. This is matter relates to 300 students of now studying at class 10 in a St. Augustine's school. Miller, they in class 9. This is a secondary examination. Registration has to be done by 15th. Miller, in the class 9, the school have taken all registration fees. Miller, class 9, they have the candidates have been passed. It has been stated that the schools are still recognized. It is recognized school, old school, is a famous school. Everybody knows about it. Now, Miller, what has happened, they are not registering. Now the words, guardians have gone to school. Now they have been informed that the registration of that school has been cancelled, Miller, by the ICSE board. Affiliation have been cancelled.
No, Mr. Bandyopadhyay, affiliation was this was a permanent affiliation or
Yes, 1982.
when it was expired?
Miller, that we do not know. It not expired. What has happened? There are certain shifting of building, etc., Miller, and yearly thing is done. The Miller, the school is also not. School is sending the WhatsApp message to the guardians. No, you don't worry. We will take your all steps. But today is the 11th. We have come. 15th is the last date. And 15th, if it is gone, Miller, the 1 year have to go.
School.
Miller,
It is up to the school to take up the issue with the
no, school is not taking up. School is sitting down, and therefore the teachers, Miller, the guardians have to come.
When the last date of registration with the board?
15th.
This is
This
central
15th
school-
September.
the ICSE board.
ICSE board, Miller.
Class 9
Miller, just a minute, please. Registration fees have been deposited.
Huh?
Everything have been deposited in class 9.
Can you? They have informed you when this affiliation was.
Miller, we do not know the exact date. In the even
I want to say that whether after taking registration fees or prior to
I
that,
do not know.
they were aware.
Miller, I do not know anything. I can say even from the when the students have passed class 9 to class 10, that time also, Miller, they have said
That is the exact time of registration.
no, that has been no. What is the rules is this? The moment a student is admitted in class 9,
Yes.
their registrations have to be done
By
for
the board.
that we have made it in class 9.
So their names were sent to the board.
No names that have been taken. These fees have to be deposited with the institutions.
Can explain.
Yes,
Can explain.
that's right, exactly.
Is it an online portal for the school?
No. Now
physical
we have
standard.
come to learn, Miller. When the deputation was given, that time we have come to learn. We have said it here, Miller.
How
Just
many of the
5 years.
petitioners?
Miller.
How many of the petitioners?
Now here is only 75 I have come. Then the others is 225 are there. 225 students. 300 students future.
750 students can join together
Yes. There's no difficulty.
in the court fees.
Pardon me. Even I will show you Lordship's judgment. Judgment is not that. Judgment is that simple one cause of action. There is no different. Have to be given this stamp fees, and even thereafter the court considers the individual in a student case. The strict rules are applicable. It will be done.
So pay the court fees.
But
Can
it's
you,
a
can you
cause
hand
of-
over your petition once?
Fine. This is not yet affirmed. It's being. I am handing it over. It's a voluminous, but not that the annexures are much. They are playing with the students, class 9 students.
School is a party, of course.
Yes.
Can you ensure a service? By
Yes. I will serve it. Keep
What
it
is the
on
last
13th.
date? Last
Keep
date?
it on 13th. To be remain in safe side to serve and everything. At the top below 13th, I will move it. I will not move it without notice. I will serve it and I will come at the top, because nowadays within 48 hours I have been told it is not coming because this QL because scanning in the department. Therefore, it comes at the top, Miller.
16 তারিখ session এ? 12 তারিখ কত? 12 তারিখ দেবো। ফাঁকা আছে? 12 তারিখ আনতে পারবেন লিস্টটা? 12 তারিখ না আছে। 13th not possible.
Madam,
13th not possible.
then tomorrow,
12th.
tomorrow,
12 tomorrow to
Ah.
12.
12 tomorrow.
Can you bring everyone to?
No, I will serve it. I will serve
Oh,
both.
transfer matter? No. 13th. এটাকে 10:30 mark করে রাখুন।
Developed. The bench presided by Justice Lalit has held it. This is any hindrance of students' education is also violative of Article 21 of the Constitution.
No, please ensure presence of
I will serve it.
the board,
I will serve it.
board and the school authority.
I will serve, but if they don't, do not.
So far the board, I suppose Mr. Baid appears usually.
Which both?
Mr. Baid appears. Mr. Baid appears.
Sanjay Baid.
Sanjay Baid.
Sanjay Baid is a famous case of 1988 Calcutta High Court notes. I hope you know that the Chief Justice Desai's judgment. Anyway, what?
I'll give the number.
Yes,
As soon as
it will
possible.
take some time because Monday.
File it and give the number.
No, আপনি এটা দিয়ে দিন ওদের listen, আপনি একটু লিভ দিয়ে দিন তাহলে আমার তাড়াতাড়ি ফাইলিংটা নাম্বারিংটা দিয়ে দেবে
Grant the leave.
দেন ওরা নাম্বারিংটা
And you contact Mr. Baid, serve him a copy. And so far school try to serve it both ways, in hand and also.
I will do it.
Then
It is matter is on 13th, তাই তো?
13, 10:30.
Developed dollars. Otherwise, I would not have disturbed your loss.
Subject to your availability.
No, I am here. I have come only for this matter, for mentioning. Otherwise, not this 300 students. That they making jokes? Is this school's function? Are they making jokes?
Mr. Bandyopadhyay, possibly you are aware of a situation. In one of the cases, I found a school in Behala whose affiliation was not extended last 34 years. Understand who are the students coming and who already came out of that student. When it was detected, when a retired teacher went there to get some, they get his pension, there was some leave to be regularized by the board, then board detected, no, this is not an affiliated school.
When I joined in the profession, that's after just 2 or 3 years of 1981, St. Augustine School, the moment I have been told that this is the name of the school, they were the veteran litigant in 80s. What has happened to them now?
They should approach the court also.
Of course.
At that point of time, they should approach the court. And secondly, on this court, under the direction of this court, 3 boards, ICC, CBSE, and this, they have disclosed their entire particulars of those schools which are affiliated by this. And possibly, I will list our korben. In that list, whether this name of the school is there or not. And in a matter where you know that this is fees hike matter, they have filed, one board has filed particulars, both the boards filed particulars of the school, those who have been affiliated in the state of West Bengal. In the state of West Bengal. Then it was found some around 400 or 500 from ICSC board, some are 400 of CBSE board. And astonishingly, the government has no control over this.
No, Namalar, I tell you, this. Exactly, I was talking about this. You see, the democratic foundation of democracy is this. Foundation of democracy. 3 chains. Chain is number 1. Every bureaucrat is answerable to minister. Minister is answerable to assembly. Assembly is answerable to people. Now, budget, whatever the amount is sanctioned, who is responsible to give reply? Reply has to be given by the state. Suppose 50 crores have been sanctioned for the universities. right? Now 50 crores, the moment it is going from the public exchequer, then anything and everything answerable is the state is answerable to the assembly. Now you don't have any control over the university. How the monies are being spent?
Very well.
Nothing.
That matter, this I am under.
I have.
Even the board, West Bengal Board of Secondary Education does not have that amount of information with them under this direction of this court. Now in their website, they have uploaded the names of the private school which has been affiliated by the West Bengal Board of Secondary. This is the first time. They don't have any control. They don't have any information.
Nothing.
Board is saying, asking the private school what curriculum you are following, inform us. They don't bother to answer to the board. President of the
board. Minority institution article 2930. That's exactly that was the argument before the Supreme Court. This is that Madrasa Commission's matter. That was my argument. That a bench was Justice Mishra and Justice Lalit. And Justice Lalit, during his practice, he appeared on behalf of all minorities institutions, all judgment, St. Xavier's, 2002, all judgment, 7 judges judgment, where the minorities institution, this independence of the minorities express. Therefore, he was the judge, the justice.
He could understand everything.
Master of the subject. One argument just. Sir, how it can give? I have only one argument. Point is, you have let down the law. There would not be any backdoor appointments, right? You have let down the law. Supreme Court has let down the law. No backdoor appointment. Any sorts of backdoor appointment. How in Article 2930, 30 minority instance, there would be backdoor appointment? No control, nothing?
No control. And the state standard answer is, we do not pay, we do not want to know what is happening over there. Just one thing last, take care of, since you are appearing in this matter, I have under this direction of this court, a bill has been, possibly there is a bill that Mr. Advocate General has submitted before me regarding the control, a commission, formation of a commission to regulate the fees of the private schools.
Right.
That bill still
that should be done. That should be done.
Should have been
But
done.
I have all that different concepts. Sometimes somewhere it's not. I am telling you, my lord. I have seen this practice. I have seen this parliamentary democracy. I have seen these peoples of this country. On so many lawyers are why you are saying so. And because I am mean for first the people. My lord, days have come in India to regulate the fees of the professional persons. Jokes are going on.
Let's set the bitter.
No. My lord, I am sure.
Yes.
Today I am raising this question.
Yes.
When I will not alive, people will has to take a call.
It will be.
It is.
It will.
What is this?
It will be.
18 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs. Is it a noble profession?
What else the person will submit? Then
Effectively in India, since you are in the judiciary, raise this wherever. This profession is not meant for to monopolize 5 or 8% of this country. You are looking after monopolization. You are saying they are there. Have they ever Supreme Court has seen? Why monopolization in the profession?
And you have leave
Why
it
it
to
is
the
happening?
choice. You leave it to the choice of the
Lord,
client.
this is
What choice you have? When see, that
unfortunately,
makes the whole difference.
unfortunately, I am telling a lot, the Bengalis are being deprived of. South Indian lobby, South Indian courts. Maharashtra lobby, Maharashtrian courts. This is not unknown to everyone.
It's not.